Seven signs of gluten intolerance everyone ignores. It's been said that the vast majority of people who have a gluten intolerance will never be diagnosed, and that as much as 15% of Americans have some type of gluten sensitivity or intolerance, if not celiac disease. Are you one of them? Here are the 7 subtle signs to look for. 1. Keratosis pilaris, otherwise known as chicken skin, that's commonly found on the backs of arms and your thighs, is the result of fatty acid deficiency caused by gluten damaging the gut. 2. Persistent headaches. Migraines and persistent headaches is another potential sign of gluten intolerance. They can also be signs of dehydration and other disorders. See a physician if your headaches don't stop. 3. Autoimmune diseases. Certainly not in all cases, but in some cases, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis, lupus, scleroderma, multiple sclerosis, and psoriasis have been found to be rooted in gluten intolerance. 4. Routine digestive issues. Gas, diarrhea, bloating, and constipation that persists seemingly without cause is one of the most obvious signs. Constipation is a common sign of gluten intolerance in children. 5. Dizziness. Dizziness and feeling off balance is yet another sign of gluten intolerance. 6. Chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue can be caused by something as easy to fix as dehydration and as severe as HIV. If you have chronic fatigue, see a doctor about it. Fatigue, brain fog, and feeling tired, especially after meals that contain gluten, are another clear indicator. 7. Fibromyalgia. Some people diagnosed with fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue actually have gluten intolerance but don't realize it. If you've been diagnosed, consider gluten as the potential cause.